when you're doing these little jars, I forgot to show you, they will sink under the water. So what we do is we put a layer of empty bands in the bottom. And then we put that on. Push it down, make sure it's level. Now, you can put the little jars in there. Rack. So you see the water is only coming up to, you can't see, but it's only coming up to about here on this jar. So it's not too much. Here I am again over the pressure canner, and you can see the water. I see she took out one of the racks, but the water's clear. It's good. Oh yeah. We can on a glass cooktop. Presto, to my knowledge, is the only canner that's approved for a glass cooktop. One thing you absolutely never ever do is slide your pans across the cooktop. You don't slide the pressure canner, you don't slide anything, and you keep it clean. And of course you keep the bottom of your canner immaculate.
Yes.
We have never had a problem. Never. The pressure regulator kind of doing a very gentle little dance on the lid there. You can see it. I think you can hear it hissing. That's when you know you have your pressure for whatever pressure you're gonna do. Ours is 14 to 15 pounds, and you just bring it up to whatever your poundage is, your PSI, and adjust it so that that little regulator is gently hissing and kind of rocking. You don't want it going crazy, and you don't want it silent. It's going to show her magic cleaning.
Yep. I like to clean the calcium buildup every couple canning sessions so it doesn't get mucky. And I just spray a little lime away around the petcock. Let it sit for a minute or two. It only takes a couple minutes for it to really clean. And then I just, in general, wipe my top while I'm at it.
Put the lime away.
Yeah, and so it all works. Gotta keep my canner looking new.
And she's dipping into soapy water.
Yeah, I'm going to add a little extra because I want to clean the petcock a little more.
Only Dagny can use her hands in this stuff. My fingers have no fingerprints. They would die if I had to touch it to that. And that's it.
That's it.
It's clean.
All calcium buildup is gone.
Wow. What about over on the lock? Is that clean?
Clean too, nothing there.
Okay.